want to talk to you guys about the dangers of co-signing for a vehicle for another person, usually that's a family member, and liability if they get in an accident. So here's the story. Got a call 2 days ago. Been meaning to make this video, but I've been really busy. So I got a call 2 days ago from a young woman in her 20s that says, hey, I'm concerned about my mom's financial situation because my mom co-signed on a vehicle for me. And as co-signing on the vehicle, they put her name on the title and registration, so it's a jointly owned vehicle. I kind of got into an accident with a motorcyclist, and they kind of died as a result of the accident. That's never a good story, and I'm so sorry for whoever motorcyclist that was, because I'm sure they and their family are having a terrible time. And the guy was in his 30s and had some kids, so I definitely empathize with that. But obviously, that family has now hired an attorney, and that attorney is coming after whatever they can get. Now, the insurance policy has said, hey, we'll tender the maximum $300,000 in coverage. So, okay, that's a start, but the attorney for the family of the dead motorcyclist is suing for $20 million. And I know that's a huge figure, and in first impression, you might say, well, that's ridiculous, but ask yourself your question: if your son or your dad died in a motorcycle accident because of someone else's negligence, what price would you put on their life? I don't know. I don't think there's a way you could put a price on a life, but 20 million sounds like as good of a number as anywhere else. So, daughter doesn't have any money. I mean, heck, she didn't even have credit good enough to qualify to buy the car on her own without mom's co-signing. But here's the bigger picture. Mom's a business owner. Mom owns 2 businesses with commercial properties and a decent amount of cash. And mom just got a letter from the same attorney saying, hey, we want access to all of your financials. We want you to sign a financial affidavit disclosing everything you own because we're naming you in the lawsuit too. And some people may say, well, but mom wasn't driving. Well, guys, it doesn't really matter. The plaintiff can sue the owner or owners of the vehicle, the driver, or the insured, whoever they want to sue. And usually they want to sue everybody. So the moral of this story is, if you are going to co-sign for anyone, a family member, friend, or anything else, structure the transaction where you are what's called the guarantor, not a co-signer, co-borrower, co-owner. What the guarantor thing does is says, listen, my daughter's got crappy credit. Give her the loan and I will back it. If she doesn't pay, I'm giving you my guarantee that I will pay, or you can come after my credit. It's kind of the same thing as being a co-owner or co-signer, but there is a distinction when it comes to asset protection. If mom were only a guarantor of the loan with the bank, but she was not an owner of the vehicle, she wouldn't be being dragged into this lawsuit and having a decent chance of losing both of her businesses, both of her commercial properties, and a very big chunk of all the money she has in the bank. So I feel bad for this family. I'm doing what I can to extract mom from getting more money taken away from her than absolutely necessary, but could have all been avoided through proper planning. Hope this helps. Have a great day.